After receiving their state grant funds, grant recipients must report their grant-funded activities to OSBM every quarter. As time goes by, grant recipients can lose track of their report submissions and may not recall if they've submitted the required report for every quarter. This can lead to a grant being out of compliance for reporting requirements. Fortunately, there is an easy way for grantees to look up if their reporting information is in compliance. And if the grant is not in compliance for reporting, they can check which quarterly reports are missing. You can find all the answers in your Smartsheet account. We are looking at the sheet view for a Smartsheet account. This is where you can review all the expenses and reports submitted for your grant. Your grant's point of contact should have all the information necessary to access your Smartsheet. The account we are looking at is for training purposes, but your grant sheet might have hundreds of entries. That's when the Summary button, here on the right-hand side, becomes a great tool. The sheet summary gives you some basic information about your grant, including how much of the grant funds have been spent and your grant balance. But as you scroll down, you can see helpful reporting information, starting with the field labeled QPR Compliance. This sheet summary says in compliance, which means all the required quarterly reports have been submitted. If your sheet says not in compliance, it means one or more quarterly reports is missing. Scroll further down and you can see if a quarterly performance report was due for each quarter listed, and below that, if one was received or is missing. If you are missing a quarterly performance report, you simply need to complete the report for that quarter and upload it to your Smartsheet account via the reporting form. See the video on our reporting page for instructions on uploading a quarterly performance report if you need help. While our grants team works hard to provide technical assistance to our grantees to keep them in compliance, it is the grantee's responsibility to make sure they remain compliant with reporting requirements. We encourage all of our grantees to use the sheet summary to check their grant's status. If you have questions or need assistance, please contact NC Grants at osbm.nc.gov.